My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Together to own your love and commitment to one another and encourage valuable
Alright, so I didn't write anything down because I wouldn't call him my stepdad, I'd call him more of my dad. He's done more
That's
things.
right.
He's done more things than my dad has done for me. So I'd like to thank PJ for that. My mom, my day one, my mom, my number one supporter. I love her to the end. She knows it. Even when we go through arguments, I still love her.
Chosen one for the Ortega family. Nothing new. Hard work for him to move forward today. Even before you guys got together, I remember you staying at our house all the time.
She was going to see PJ.
We all did share a room, so that's weird.
Now, as a mother, PJ, I love you as my son because you've taken care of my daughter, and I thank God for placing you in Holly's life. You have shown her, you have changed her too. Yeah, she has a little attitude sometimes.
Get it from my mama.
Well, we thank God for that, right? Frank,
say no comment.
give a speech.
No comment.
people.